Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by drawing two non-parallel chords. This immediately gives you intersecting perpendicular bisectors. Draw chord AB and chord CD so they cross the circle at different angles. Measure each chord and mark its midpoint. Use a ruler for accuracy. Once done, construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. Draw a perpendicular through its midpoint. Repeat for CD. These first steps create two lines that must intersect at the circle's center, so make sure to be precise with midpoints and right angles. Now you take those midpoints and build the perpendicular bisectors, and this is the critical geometric move. Set your compass to half the chord length or use a right-angle tool to strike a perpendicular line through each midpoint. Draw the bisectors long enough to guarantee an interior intersection. Once done, verify both bisectors cross. Their intersection is the only point equidistant from all chord endpoints. Make sure to extend lines clearly and avoid small scribbles that hide the true crossing. You finish by marking the intersection as center O, then prove it. Use a compass to measure distance OA and check OB and OC equal that length. If distances differ beyond small error, redraw the bisectors. Often slight midpoint or perpendicular errors cause the issue. Once done, test by drawing the circle from O to any original point. It should pass through all points. If the bisectors don't intersect inside, choose another pair of non-parallel chords and repeat. This reliably fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.